Hey YouTube, I've got here a Viola Sharpie. I know it's modified and transformed into a paint marker. I don't know if you hear the mixing bowl. Homemade ink, purple. What, what the fuck is with this thing? Yeah, it's fucked up. I know. Mm. The ink is not good, but buy this piece of shit. When I say piece of shit, I don't mean that the marker is bad. Like it's like the thing. So the thing equals piece of shit. So yeah, or marker equals piece of shit. Yeah, it's dope. But buy this marker and pop off the inner cap and put your ink and you're done. Got a paint marker for your black book. I have like a dozen of this, so I highly recommend this. Yeah, so stop saying I'm toy, okay? I understand it. Peace.